Alright, so today we're going to take a look at this FNIRSI cordless soldering pen. And like it says, it's cordless and it's rechargeable, so let's give it a shot. Alright, this is the HS3 model. It's a 10-watt device. USB charging, so that's great. Okay, it comes in a nice carrying case. Okay, instructions manual. Okay, here's the device. Looks like you could set the temperature. Just take off the screen protector. That's a good looking device, that's for sure. Okay. Let's see what it comes with. Here's the soldering tip for a very fine. Okay, we'll install that later. See what else we have. Okay, some different soldering tips. The other one has an edge. This one's a tip. Let's see this one. Okay, this one's a very fine tip with no curve. So it's got 3 different options for you. All right, so here are the 3 different tips. One's got this curve. This has this edge like a blade. And this one's a fine tip. What else? Screwdriver tool. Some screws and the USB charging cable. All right, so let's give it a shot. Let's put it together. Okay, let's power this up. Got English. Let's go. I want it. And let's go Celsius. So it's telling me to install the tip. Okay. And I could set the temperature. Let's see how we do this. It's heating up. And looks like this will be like the safety cover. That's cool. So it's heating up 250 degrees Celsius. And we have a nice safety cover for that. So let's let it heat up. Oh, okay, looks like it's already heat up. And let's see, we could make it higher, 260, 270, 280. All right, let's start with 300. We'll see how well that goes. We'll heat it up. Nice thing is with that cover, I could just leave it like that, and it's pretty safe. Let me bring out my soldering station. All right, so let's solder a couple wires together. All right, so what I have right here is a wire that I connected with this wire nut. But if I want a better connection, what I'm going to do is I'm going to solder it together. Okay, I'm going to prepare my little wire shrink wrap on it. Slide that in, get that ready. But we'll use this. wrap it first. Make sure it's nice and secure. Okay, so now I got some soldering, and let's try this out. All right. That works fantastic. So that's on 300. And you know, that's on the low side. So let's say I want to up it to around 370. It'll melt a little bit faster. There we go. All right. That actually did a fantastic job. Cap that for safety. Let's take a look. Okay, there you go. Nice and secure. Trying to get the camera to focus on it. It looks good. So now what we can do is put the shrink wrap over it, and we could heat it, or sometimes we could use the soldering iron to melt the plastic also. Of course, you could use a heat gun. That actually works better. But sometimes when you're in a pinch, you could just use the soldering iron like I'm doing right now. That's one way to do it. And if you don't have a heat gun, some people use a lighter. You just got to be careful when you use a lighter. You don't want to get it too hot. And there, you have a very secure connection. That's a well soldered line. That's really cool. Adjustable heat. Power off. And let's see. Oh, look at that. Okay. So that one is fine tuning and one is coarse. You could turn it up really high really easily by clicking this. So there's two ways you could do it. You could just do it slowly with this button right here, or you could just do it fast with this one right here. Quick 300, quick to 350. All right, that's really cool. All right, here's the USB charging port. Let me turn it off. Just plug it in right there and recharge it using your USB port. So that's really cool. Really, really compact, easy to use. You could really dial in the temperature. Nice little safety option right there. Cover. All right, FNIRSI soldering pen. HS3 model. I think it's really nice. I really like it. And I could just leave it right there on my soldering kit. Cool.